Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're going to learn about WeakSet.delete method. So, in the WeakSet object, there's a delete method. We're gonna explore about that. So, remove all of this. Use the const and WeakSet1. And we will use the new operator for create that and use the constructor method to create that. It should be big S. Yeah. And what we're gonna do is use const object 1 equals empty object. And what we're gonna do, we WeakSet1 dot add, and we will add that object inside it. So if we log it on a console now, and we will check WeakSet.has method, it's a method for checking is it having that inside that properties or not, and which gonna return you a boolean. So what we're gonna do is object 1. If we directly do that, it's gonna say true. And now what we're gonna do is use this method WeakSet.delete, and inside that what we're gonna do is delete that object. When we're done with that, if we go and check, it's gonna say false. So hope you guys understand. As the name suggests, it deletes that. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.